We hear things every day. The birds outside, the cars on a busy street, and the dialogue of shows on TV. But audiophiles hear it differently.
Is it a religion or a disease?
To them, it's something to chase, perfect, and even obsess over.
An American psychiatrist calls it audiophilia.
But why? Chapter 1. How it begins. At Expona, over 11,000 enthusiasts from 42 states and 31 countries gathered to celebrate this obsession. I went this year to find out why this pursuit captivates so many.
My name is Quing Lee. I co-run a YouTube channel called the Chicago Horn Loudspeaker Guys. I moved to the States in the early 1970s. Went to high school, started liking American music. A buddy of mine in high school invited me to his house. He had these speakers called EPI 100s. And he had a Philips turntable, and he played some music for me. That was a revelation. That's when I got hooked.
And just like Quing was, a new generation is hooked too. 68% of young listeners now chase superior audio experiences. Chapter 2. The Pursuit. What drives the pursuit to perfect sound?
The sound waves, the measurements. I have a sound room at home. I can tell you that my speaker moves from a position to the other position.
Sitting down, cranking up the volume, you're immersed in it, and it's amazing. And the other, you're just kind of there.
Chapter 3. What they're listening for. The science of sound is more complex than most realize. Studies show that the human ear can detect differences as subtle as 0.1 decibels. Yet, enthusiasts argue whether you can actually hear the difference between high resolution and standard audio. Many audiophiles all say the same thing when it comes to what they actually listen for.
The reproducing the sound as it was recorded, right? And understanding where it's recorded, how it's recorded, and actually the sound stage of the musical recording.
To be able to play my music loud, the system has to be able to resolve everything that's on the recording and to be able to produce a convincing sound feel. So it's not just sounding good, does it sound real?
Try to capture what sounds like the musicians are right in the room.
Chapter 4. Chasing the Moment. After hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars, why do some still chase that perfect moment when everything aligns? Because as tech evolves, new formats release, and new listeners join, the heart of it will always stay the same, chasing that moment when sound just clicks. And for audiophiles, that obsession of sound never really ends.
It's bad.